Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with another PINCHme.com box. I've done a few of these before on my channel, and it's very easy to go ahead to PINCHme.com. You sign up and you make a profile. They have you answer a bunch of questions based on, your likes, your dislikes, family history, income, education, all that kind of stuff. And they match you to certain samples. They usually do one free sample box a month, usually on a Tuesday. And there are different samples that you're able to get. Sometimes they match you to like 4 different ones. Sometimes there are no samples that you're matched with. Sometimes it just depends. I've also received free magazine subscriptions from PINCHme.com. I probably get about 12 to 13 free magazines sent to my house a month because I got so many free subscriptions. So definitely check out PINCHme.com if you haven't already. It's a really cool site, and you get to try free items, give a small review on PINCHme.com. They just ask you how you like it to make a review for it. And then you have a bunch of trial size things to try. And, sometimes some of this stuff can sway you to want to purchase the full-size version. So if you guys hang on, I will open up my box and show you what's inside. Okay, I opened up my box. I completely forgot what this box even consisted of. They usually show you the samples that you have to choose from, and I just completely forgot what was in this like usual. So to start, I got a sample of Garnier Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner. These are the Oat Delicacy. I never tried this variety before. I've used Whole Blends. I like Whole Blends and Garnier in general. So this will be nice for one night. I can go ahead and try those free samples. Next is a pack of Sweet Heat Skittles. This is something new. I've never seen this before. Fruity flavors with a spicy kick. So it has a sizzling strawberry, blazing mango, lemon, lemon spark. Sorry, I couldn't read it through my phone. Flamin' orange and fiery watermelon. So I'm guessing they're gonna be kind of spicy. I'm not really sure how that's gonna be. I'll probably throw this in my husband's lunch at some point this week and see whether or not he likes it. Next, this is pretty cool. It's this Seeds of Change brand, which I never heard. It's certified organic, quinoa and brown rice with garlic. I've actually never had quinoa. I know it's very good for you. People like it. So I probably will make this as a base for maybe some chicken drumsticks or as a side with hamburgers. But I plan to use this probably in the next week or two and see if I like it. You kind of can see what it looks like down there. Not really. But that's actually a nice thing to get for free to try. It's a full size. For my husband and I, we definitely will get 2 nights out of this, which is pretty cool. Next, we got a coupon for $2 off any one Seeds of Change organic food product. So if I like it, I can get $2 off. So that's good to have that coupon. Next is a coupon for Clairol hair color. It comes in this cute little pop-up flyer. And there is a coupon for a free box of Clairol Nice and Easy hair color, up to $8.99. So you'll just present this to your cashier, and they'll write in the price of the Clairol, which is pretty cool. I haven't done my hair, in a while, but, well, not too long ago, but I probably will just get this and have it in my stockpile and save it for when I want to dye my hair. So that was my PINCHme box. Like I said, it varies. Sometimes there are a couple samples you're eligible for. Sometimes, I think last time I got 5 different samples, which was pretty cool. This one, I got the 3 samples and the 2 coupons. So either way you look at it, this is free stuff. You get to try and sample. All you have to do is answer questions for them, give a review, an honest review, let them know whether or not you like the stuff, and you get cool stuff to try out. I think it's a win-win situation. So definitely go on there and sign up. Recommend it to your friends. They usually do, like I said, once a month on Tuesdays. That's when they release the boxes. And they'll match you up to stuff, or they'll match you to a free subscription for magazines, or some other things. Sometimes you'll be matched to free items. So definitely check it out. And I thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I hope you all have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.